Abusia yedi ehyiamu a Malik Basintali Kevin Taylor ene kire say some story about IGP ena ye behwe ewo sai so yiso a abusia yesi masa Kevin Taylor enja nkwasi adeda tambia wo ya gum ni pasum na wo ye ne ho so ne kontrol chese Ghana na o ne kontrol mahama ne hwade ade no yesi wo nja kula na wo yobia or ye just a common blogger to said ye nyina wo hu ala enti onjai dede no agoye den o ye no na me pamchew ye nkonkohwe de ekọ edwuma die yi eye 3 in 1 is before aye be kwakohwe Kevin Taylor de etwa gune se de wo si je fire no hu ye ni kan emfa we entwam ema mo answer embra.
Sorry, I think someday.
Share this with you before I moved to share this with you before I jump into the shower. I bought my very first car from a lawyer, so it had the Ghana Bar Association sticker on it. Everywhere I went with that car was being saluted. Hey, I put it to you. They probably thought I was a lawyer. After a while, the car started giving me problems. After solving one problem, another one would come up. There was no single week I didn't go to the mechanics. And it was mostly getting damaged in public, like mostly where there are people gathered or junctions where there is crowd or a lot of people. That's when this car would decide to embarrass me, as if it was sent by my village people. So everyone around me was advising me to let this car go. Vicky, sell this car and get another one. I said no. I mean, why should I let go of a car that has Ghana Bar Association sticker on it? Ghana Bar! Kai, no way! Then one day the worst happened. I was driving on the Spintex Road and my brake failed. I ran into a taxi in front of me and there was a passenger at the back. The guy's arm got dislocated. My car got damaged. The taxi got damaged. I had to fix the taxi, take care of the guy's medical bills, and fix my car. That was when I decided to let the car go. Now, moral of the story. A lot of people are in situations like this. Toxic people, toxic environment, toxic things in our lives. But we don't let them go, or we don't want to let them go because of one single benefit. One single thing they're doing for you. One single, that car, oh, it's economical, it doesn't consume fuel. So but you're spending more on other things than fuel. That person gives me money, that person is caring, but they're beating you, they're abusive. They're causing you more harm than good, but you don't want to let them go because of one benefit. I'm here to tell you, let them go. Otherwise, it will cost you something that you might never be able to recover from. That toxic person, that toxic environment, it could be work, it could be your living environment, it could be a human being in your life, family member, someone you think is a loved one, they're causing you so much damage, but you don't want to let them go.
Let them go, according to Vicky Zuga. Ade ya wakotoka Ghana Bar Sticker Association di ndiye. Ewako na sticker no yentimi nwa fam ka wo from well because me no die me say a common sticker. And as a sticker now it associate with ade bia yi. Say your sticker no what design dia momo. Actually say a showcase the security service for said we AHS and this doctors for wo de lawyers for wo de any adwumakuo no p especially wo de ye you know I don't know. So intimi fam ka from dia. Abusia yankonkote de etwa go fa Kevin Taylor money Malik Basintali mu kwena yeni kan enhye and I said yeni kan ever Kevin di entoa so yesi Kevin enye wo bia said the year si kasa said the Ghana yeni dia na mujinya megu NPP na meye say na meye o say na meye o say na o kasa said the open massa. Yes, it is about time we say with me shut it up with me muana no inti embra.
What's
the day?
Can tell I'm so born down.
Why are they Ghana? On your bill.
Yes, a blogger, when you be Ghana. Where are they? Where are they? Ghana?
On your bill, why are they? What's why there's a sister?
Where just a blogger when you be why? No officer,
national security garden.
National security better go there.
Now you only national security na no. Now who
meet me kase. Me ko be read you go here scan ya obi garden. Asema na kansa. Asema na kansa. Asema na kansa. Asema na kansa. Baba kan kwe. Yes, Obana wo twa na kata ye wi. Wa! Asiwo.
Kevin Taylor ya wo.
Kevin Taylor.
Onwa.
Kevin Taylor.
Uchimutai. Onwa ne wo so ashemoba.
difference on me.
Ashe papa. Oh, and so be so. So be so.
I am on
So be so.
As a director and an instructor, son of me,
Adiachi na kwa ni so to na hia enya mwanwa say be yes NBP ni you say anti Kevin Taylor anti Kevin Taylor say ka say if something is anti it means say oh or ye chire say negative to that and na say on this ade no enya adwinti abusuya akoyi chire mu amu so Kevin Taylor so to the extent say obi e de ne ban na abefam ni shop anim ene enwa ade no wose masa Kevin Taylor enyo obi a or you're just a blogger to say the abusian ye nyina ye na woni bebi on say NDC ba so Kevin Taylor ye say me na me do o mo aba na fa akosi hi no no kre ba kwa enyo bia no do obi aba na ofi say Kevin Taylor betimi do obi aba power ankonko fa na abusian ni ne papa ne mami ananka wonu amukura emma power say obetimi di obi aba power anka obefa ne mami ne papa ne abusian ni bi enanka or didn't beba power because Safo no nanko betime control mo simple. What I say? Safo no enanko betime te said ye nanado be di akonwa ye na nabusuafo enana wo mo ruling. Se Kevin betime do obi aba power. And ye won't fa obi a ye nobody no fa nembre. Na ndi so mo di akonwa. We say me do mo aba power. Enye wo bi na do obi ba power abusuan. Eye kire say wo kan ni power di NDC ba ya eye nanado. And saying et said ye wo yoba na woni be mate wo be jai be ma no akofa be ma fofura ejina be ma no so what ase se woni ngi ne ho a na busia na se be ma no enya de ma menka ni yi be ma no enya de e ma wo ba no woni ngi a probably ebia wo be jai sa be ma no akofa ni pa foforo sa na Ghana for ye na nado anya de ama ye ngi to the extent say wodi 11 kura ba ya ye kan na oye ye say mbie ye nti imagine wo hwe we mu nyina na yakoto aba wo Kevin Taylor na go man yakoto aba di ma NDC say ye ni feelings say de na ye famu no Kevin Taylor na oba be ka kire yen say ye sofa ansa na ye hu ni say ye sofa na say ne mabobo adam ene mo amoto aba ma NDC nyina mabobo adam because wo de ho na utimi mo bi be ka kire say de wo relationship mu na wo mu no we okay we no be fra bontia ba be ka kire we say relationship no jako na won so we jai akoba before from no e ba sa ade ne na wo nye normal what as inti me ma dwene mo no me hu ni se masa obi a anya hwe eye wo man na emu ye din hwe bet tax introduction ji why imagine boys on bet 20 MPP awo bet yi ho na ansan na waba mobile money side and the business ya no be ye say we send this car and the business ni nyina akoye sending. Eti imagine we mu nyina na jedi nyambeka say nanka office ente saa enya saa no manemu a anka bagomi a white said ya plug no anka wo be ye campaign asanso akase obetwa saa no manemu because omo nkasa nim say saa mo asem no na che say e make omo party no unpopular na make say e bia saa tax ni saa no mano ubekom na bagomi a ene nanado enya adwun but na menka nkyerɛw obetimi no obi awoho na wo ye nipa no deputy wo ye nipa na assist na wo assist ya wo ye no even cleaner cross one fast was no woni mu ahu obetimi a yo obi assist deputy e wo chese adwuma bi mu na wo deputy o assist no chese abusuya cleaner kro wo adwuma ni mu eso one fast so sabi na yesi na nado odi ye ba wo mienti abusuya we aye de ekoso ewo Kevin Taylor any squad aside ya for Malik Basintelli
MPP for
and twaso emamu eye jandam bia anka NDB for epese wo moni Malik Basintelli edi na NDB for do bia na menti wo mo ase wo de yentie embra yes yentie de ekoso mbra
MPP for papa we Malik Basintelli papa and President Mahama man appointment papa ne friend Samuel Basintelli Amadu. Number so here video way we are me wasemka.
When John Mahama became president in 2012, my father said yes, he had shaked the hands of President Rawlings, but one last person he wants to shake hands with is John Dramani Mahama. Unfortunately, my father passed on in 2014. After all the sacrifices he had done to the party, he never had an opportunity of shaking the hands of John Mahama.
This was a video of Malik Basintelli talking about his family, I think in 2024. Yes, 5, 6, 7 months ago. And according to him, ne papa wu in 2014. in the president mama also yen century obi a wawu na wakwanyane no ama na appointment MPP for ya monwene kakra sana na mukasa Dr. Callistus Mahama oye Mahama nua nti me bi so George Akufo Dampare oye Akufo Ado nua na
Yes sir.
Mahama Yariga majority leader oye Mahama nua na
Yes sir.
nti din Basentale no obi antimi ntubi
Abi.
Tesa Boatin asante for Boatin obi atimi to Boatin sana Basentale obi atimi to Basentale Mahama din obi atimi to bi nti obi no obi ekura Mahama na se Basentale eno nche se omo ya nuafo ana aya mo nwini kakra na opposition no mu che mu bewu ho waje ase mu tina mu 90 years o
Abusinya an wo mu tina mu 90 years na even say oye Malik Basentale papa de wonye na we idea no say adenya oye Malik Basentale papa say oye ne papa kra ne papa de woye gan na adwuma ye chiri na papa na study woye adwuma ni sesi ado papa be no ye adese ne kire say amanfo papa no enti we no adwuma bi say obi abetimi anya enti say wo papa ambo na omodin wa ban mu wo papa no nduru badwam na wo papa onya post bia na so bi papa akwakunya aya wo papa na no nduru badwam wo papa wonko na wo bu ni saa wo onko an wo nim but me bieke no dia ma loki wo papa wo de aya ahwam level so no se de wagu aha entabusua saa na aye den aye achese and before episode mo fa ho ade ye campaign se adenya de wo kan me no be ya adwene se nipa no nya adwuma but eso aga ne sika e de ma se de mra bi atwam omo abidi ma TB muyi an eye Tracy muyi we de say ye ake e na tese ba yo mu e de omo verse betu mu abusian omo twa wo mo wa e no na ebi e be ma na se nipa no ye adwuma de a na so betinya ye adwuma ne de a abusian and ye wo obenya problem no na wa badam subscribe to your channel for updates na me fa wo nc ahase ye